The Palm Beach Maritime Academy will be holding our next open house Saturday, November 5th, 2022, 10 a.m. at our elementary campus and 11 a.m. at our secondary campus.
Our elementary K through 5th grade program is STEM and literacy-based instruction. We integrate marine science field trips into each student's education. Our secondary 6th through 12th grade program offers a challenging curriculum.
Individualized and differentiated instruction to best prepare your student for a career or college.
We offer honors, AP, dual enrollment, and early admissions. Don't miss this opportunity to learn about our programs
Saturday, November 5th, 2022.
at the Palm Beach Maritime Academy. An adventure awaits.